This is part 2, continuing on.
Huge clump, right? Look at the size of it. Look at the size of the clump. Huge clump because I couldn't pinpoint it with my pinpointer. I couldn't get a tone with my pinpointer, but I kept getting a loud tone with my quick shooter. So after I failed on 12 attempts with the pinpointer, I almost gave up.
Now, the thing is, it's not because the item was actually too deep for the pinpointer to locate it. The problem I later learned or began to understand is just the ground itself. It'll be explained later.
Instead, I just dug the hole. Pretty much dug the hole. Tried to dig the circumference of the Moston. And now, after cutting down some of the plug, I was able to get a tone with my pinpointer. Let me see where it is. Okay. Clear the hole first. Okay, nothing in the hole. This is dirt that I cut off of the clump. But now I'm able to get it and I'm close. So I'm gonna dig it. There, I see a change in the color. There. Can you see it? And just dig it down. There. Okay. Quarter. Alright, I'll clean it up, show it to you later. More to come.
Okay, as you saw, that was a quarter on its side. So as I'm trying to detect it, this particular dirt in this area is really dry. And the pinpointer has trouble for some reason detecting items when the dirt is really dry. That wasn't even deep. That was maybe about 5 or 6 inches down.
Yeah, while I'm at it, let me get some quick video of that multiple coin spill. It's 3 50-cent pieces. Okay, here's a shot of the 3 50-cent pieces that I found earlier today.
Okay. When I first started off, the beginning of the video, part 1, it showed where I'd found a CLAD quarter and a 50-cent piece. But after I covered the plug up, it originally toned in at 99. So when I covered the plug up again, I was getting a 69. Reopened the hole and found 2 more 50-cent pieces.
This one is a 1972. I'm going to use my Andres pencil set to clean them up a lot better. All I did so far was just drop them in some soapy water and rinse them off in regular water. But I'm going to clean them up now. Hold on.
Okay, now I'm going to show you those stills of the before and after, the cleaning. This is the first one, I believe, that came out of the hole with the CLAD quarter. This is that 50-cent piece before on the front. This is it on the back. And this is after cleaning with the Andres. Okay. Now we have the before for the next 2 coins. This is a before of the front, before of the back, a before of the front, and now a picture of all 3 cleaned. Hoover Boys type day for me. 3 nice coins, excellent spill, but the day continued the same way. Multiple coin spills all over the park. Here's that back, those beautiful coins. Now here's a shot of all the coins found that day. This was a 2.5 hour dig on a Sunday morning. Here, this is I forget the name, Armani Calzone or something like that. Button from a leather jacket. Here, this is a 2018 Rabies shot dog tag. Okay, bunch of CLAD quarters, as you can see. 16 altogether. Also, 3 nickels, 4 nickels. I think 6 dimes and 5 pennies. Excellent Hoover Boys type day. Not a lot of trash. That's what I really mean. Normally in the parks I've had hit hundreds of daggone pull tabs, beaver tails, everything. But this particular spot was hot for that day. More to come. Here's my locator shots so I can remember exactly where I pinpointed using the pinpointer. That's where the plug here, where the coins came out. And in between these 2 trees by the lake, pinpointing that little house there, here. Also the opposite from the hill here. This entire field area. Nothing but coins. No trash. Excellent. More to come. Check out part 3 for all, well, not all of them, but at least 10 of the digs.